Hey everyone, it's Lynn from Into Resin. Today we're doing something a little fun using these new coaster molds. I pre-mix the resin with different dye. Make sure you follow the suggested mixing ratio of your resin, stir it slowly and evenly for a few minutes. Now I'm pouring the resin mix with yellow dye and using a torch to remove the bubbles, then let them sit for 24 hours. Okay, they're hardened. Let's demold. I will add some dried flowers and small decorations like cute little bees and butterflies into the yellow coaster. When adding dried flowers, make sure they are completely dried before you put them in resin, otherwise they will rot and discolor. I'll cover the dried flowers with a layer of the resin first. This way can reduce the amount of bubbles when you pour resin later. Now I will add some silver crushed glass into the bee wings of the black coaster so they look shiny, and add clear resin. Then fill the empty spaces around the bee with green resin. Okay, let it set for a while. Let's pour the honeycomb of this coaster with light orange resin. And also pour some yellow resin to complete the body of the bee. Here I will pour several hives with less resin as I will be adding some small decorations later. After adding the small things, fill the hives with clear resin, and they are done! Look at them! I really like these coasters. I hope you guys like this tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to leave a comment, share, like, and if you're not already subscribed, please do so. So alright guys, take care and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!